Looking to work smarter, faster, and with professional precision? From power tools to plumbing aids, DIY essentials, and high-performance gadgets, we've got the gear that makes every job easier. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a DIY enthusiast at home, these tools deliver power, precision, and reliability, so you can get the job done right the first time. Stick around because we're about to show you the must-have tools that will level up your projects and save you time, effort, and frustration. Meet the ACEGMET DTX10 Digital Tape Measure, a smarter way to measure. Powered by AccuMeasure technology, it delivers precision within plus or minus 1/32 of an inch. Switch easily between classic tape and laser measurement, with laser range up to 330 feet. It handles area, volume, height, and indirect distance automatically. No manual math. Features like incremental zeroing, rear reference measuring, and a green alignment laser improve accuracy. With a full color display and Smart Life app connectivity, this Class 2 laser tool makes measuring faster, clearer, and more efficient. Meet the Saker Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. Compact, portable, and precise. Powered by a 90W motor with 5 speeds up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, it handles wood, plastic, acrylic, and more. Adjustable cutting angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and a 16 mm cutting depth make it perfect for trims, sanding, and engraving. Built with a sturdy cast iron body, transparent debris baffles, and anti-slip rubber feet for accurate, safe operation. Lightweight, beginner-friendly, and versatile. Bring precision and creativity to every DIY project. Meet the RIDGID 57003 Easy Change Plumbing Wrench, a multifunctional tool for undersink faucet installation and removal. Works with faucets, shutoff valves, supply lines, and basket strainers. Simplifies tight space plumbing jobs. The 6-sided cubed insert fits May 8th, March 4th, July 8th, 15/16 and 1-inch nuts for smooth turning without damaging chrome. The cylindrical insert includes a 5/8" deep well socket, fits strainer baskets, and allows screwdriver leverage. Multipurpose handle works with 2-, 3-, 4-, and 6-tab basin nuts, while clearing supply lines. Compact, lightweight, durable, built for professional plumbing. Meet the 40 VMAX XGT 16-gauge rebar tying tool. Model CRQ-01. It's the world's first 40-volt max, 16-gauge rebar tying solution. Built for stronger ties and deeper reach, it uses the exact amount of wire every time. Less waste, lower cost. Perfect for commercial buildings, roads, bridges, tilt-up construction, pools, residential jobs, precast work, and electrical conduit. It delivers up to 65% stronger ties, handling rebar from number 3 by number 3. Up to number 9 by number 8. Powered by a 40 VMAX XGT battery, it can make up to 3,600 ties per charge. Built for speed. Built for the job site. Meet the Deck Board Straightener Tool. Built for smooth, gap-free decking with professional accuracy. Its arc-shaped contact applies even pressure across the board, reducing misalignment for a flatter, cleaner finish. Designed for fast, one-person operation, the quick clamp and instant release system saves time on every board. Adjustable joist spacing adds flexible setup, while heavy-duty carbon steel construction ensures durability. The board-safe design protects surfaces, and the foldable body makes storage and transport easy. Whether you're a contractor or a DIYer, install decks faster, cleaner, and easier than ever. Meet the iCrimp CRQ-01 Disconnect Tong, a compact, efficient tool for brass push-to-connect fittings. 3 tooth sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Make demounting fast and easy. Designed for tight spaces, with wide grip handles for one-handed comfort. Just slide it over the fitting, squeeze the release collar, and pull the pipe free. Even pressure safely releases the fitting, reducing damage and installation errors. Meet the VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer, built for extreme power. A 3,500-watt industrial motor delivers up to 1,900 blows per minute, with 60 joules of impact energy. Concrete, brick, and tile, broken fast and clean. Its heavy-duty aluminum body is built to last. The high-strength alloy chuck allows quick chisel changes, a double-spring shock system, and 360-degree rotating handle. Reduce fatigue during long jobs. An advanced cooling system keeps performance steady. Includes flat and point chisels, gloves, and a durable carrying case. Built for demolition. Ready for the job. Meet the Angle Stop Wrench Kit, a professional plumbing tool set for fast installation and removal. Works with 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch MPT compression outlets, and fits both metric and standard measurements. The adjustable jaw handles, 15/16 inch to 5/8 inch nuts, making tight spaces easy. Its dual-action ergonomic design boosts grip and torque, while corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability. Backed by a 3-year warranty and 12-month refund policy, this kit delivers reliable performance every time. Meet the Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Carpentry Aid, a simple tool for fast, accurate trim and miter cuts. Quickly find and transfer precise 45-degree angles, removing guesswork from corners and molding. It's a reliable setup aid for cleaner miters and tighter-fitting trim pieces, saving time on measuring and test cuts. Compact and easy to use, perfect for baseboards, door and window trim, and decorative molding projects. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, achieve clean, professional-looking trim every time. Meet the 40 VMAX XGT 3/4 inch impact wrench, built for serious heavy-duty work. Powered by Makita's brushless motor, it delivers up to 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 1,110 foot-pounds of fastening power. Choose from 4 speed modes. Get smooth control with the variable trigger and smart auto stop settings. The extended anvil reaches tight spaces. Anti-vibration design keeps you comfortable. Dual LEDs light up the job. This is XGT power, made for professionals. Meet the Milescraft 1622 Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block, a versatile tool for flat, concave, convex, and tight-edge surfaces. This 4-in-1 block accepts any quarter sheet of sandpaper, so switching grits is fast and easy. The Quick Snap Sandpaper Lock lets you move from coarse to fine in seconds. Includes 150 grit sandpaper to get started right away. Perfect for woodworking, DIY crafts, and home projects. It delivers smooth, precise finishes, even in hard-to-reach areas. Compact, durable, efficient. Sanding has never been this easy. Meet the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Circular Saw, Model DCS 391B, a compact sidewinder built for job site power. The high-performance motor spins at 5,150 revolutions per minute for fast, smooth cuts through tough wood. A lightweight magnesium shoe adds durability and keeps cuts accurate over time. The rubber overmolded grip provides balance and steady control. With a 0 to 50-degree bevel, it handles aggressive angle cuts with ease. The 6.5-inch carbide blade delivers deep, precise cuts and more runtime per charge. Features keyless blade changes, a spindle lock, and a 3-year limited warranty. Built to cut, built to last. Meet the Berserker 20V cordless rotary hammer drill, 1 1/8 inch, built for power, control, and versatility. The brushless motor runs cooler and longer, delivering up to 1,150 revolutions per minute and 5,100 beats per minute. with 2.1 foot-pounds of impact energy. It drills fast through concrete, brick, wood, metal, and masonry. Powered by a 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it fully charges in about 90 minutes. With 4 working modes, variable speed, a safety clutch, and a lightweight ergonomic design. Includes bits, chisels, a depth gauge, and a durable carrying case. Built to work. Ready for the job. Meet the RIDGID 31305 Model E110 Offset Hex Jaw Pipe Wrench. Professional grade. Made in the USA. Its hex jaw design grips hex nuts, square nuts, unions, and valve packing nuts securely. Wide jaws fit large pipes, while thin, smooth jaws slip into tight spaces. Handles pipes from 1 1/8 inch to 2 5/8 inch with ease. Built for durability. Backed by RIDGID's lifetime warranty. For reliable performance year after year. Meet the Alloyman Cordless Impact Wrench. Built for serious power. Its high-torque brushless motor delivers up to 1,475 foot-pounds, or 2,000 Newton-meters, of breakaway torque. Stubborn, rusted bolts? No problem. The 3-speed torque control lets you move easily. From light repairs to heavy truck and industrial work. Powered by a 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it runs longer and recharges fast. An ergonomic anti-fatigue grip reduces vibration for better control and comfort. Includes sockets, battery, and charger. Built tough, ready to work. Meet the iCrimp Ratchet PEX Cinch Tool with removing function. An all-in-one solution for PX installations from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. Built to ASTM 2098 standards. It works with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer. It can also cinch single-ear hose clamps. The dual-function design lets you cinch and remove clamps, saving time and money by reusing fittings. Made from high-quality forged steel with precision wire EDM jaws, it's durable and long-lasting. The ratcheting self-release system makes crimping effortless, with no calibration needed. This complete kit includes the cinch tool, PX cutter, 20 1/2-inch clamps, and 10 3/4-inch clamps. Meet the TOLESA pipe cutter tool. Heavy-duty and precise. Cuts copper, aluminum, PVC, and thin stainless steel pipes. From 1/8 inch to 2 inches. Sharp SKD cutter wheels and 6 ball bearing rollers. Give stable, accurate cuts every time. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy. It's durable and built to last. Rotate the knob, spin the cutter, and get perfect results every time. The all-in-one kit includes pipe cutters, a deburring tool, and a pipe reamer. Built for professionals. Ready for DIY projects. Meet the Makita X-01 Z36V LXT Brushless Earth Auger. Gas power without the gas. Running on an 18-volt X2 battery system, it matches the performance of a 36 cubic centimeters gas auger. No fuel, no emissions, no oil mixing, and no pull starts. The Makita-built brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent digging, with less noise and less maintenance. Drill holes up to 8 inches wide and 41 inches deep. Perfect for post holes, fence installs, landscaping, construction, and soil sampling. Cordless, powerful, built for professionals. Meet the Felo 071-576-4539 ERGONIC K handle. Designed for maximum comfort, control, and less hand fatigue. It features a 1/4-inch quick-release bit holder for fast, secure bit changes. The 60-tooth ratchet lets you work with precision, while the 180-degree pivoting head reaches tight spaces. Built to handle over 50 Newton-meters of torque, this tool delivers durability, ergonomic design, and professional precision. A must-have for every toolbox.